In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure HSN code in Zoho Books. Setting up the HSN code is crucial for businesses operating under GST, as it helps in standardizing the classification of goods for tax purposes. Let's dive into the process. First, log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your main hub where you can access various features and settings. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a gear icon. This icon gives you access to the settings menu, which is where we need to go next. Click on the gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains several options, but don't let it overwhelm you. What you want to do here is to locate the search bar within this menu. In the search bar, type the word tax. This will streamline your process by filtering the settings options to only show those related to tax. After you've typed tax into the search bar, you'll see several related options, such as tax rates and tax preferences. Click on tax rates. This is where you can manage your tax settings, including adding or editing HSN codes. Once you're in the tax rates section, look for an option that says New Tax or Create Tax. Click on that. Now, you're in the window where you can add a new tax rate. Here, you'll have fields to fill out, such as the tax name, rate, and importantly, the HSN code. The HSN code, or Harmonized System of Nomenclature, is used to classify goods methodically. Enter the appropriate HSN code for the products or services your business deals in. Make sure this code is accurate, as it directly affects compliance with tax regulations. Once you've entered all the necessary information, double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Errors in this section can lead to problems with tax filings, so it's always a good idea to be thorough. After confirming that all details are correct, look for the option to save or create the tax. Click it to complete the process. Finally, take a moment to review your settings and ensure that your new tax rate with the HSN code is successfully added. You can test this by going back to your dashboard and trying to create a transaction that uses this code. This will help confirm that everything is working smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully configured the HSN code in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you ensure that your business remains compliant with the necessary tax regulations, making your accounting processes that much more effective and efficient. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and guides.